Welcome to Patlite Tech Tips, where we provide tutorials, unboxings, and more. More information can be found on our other social media channels. If you have specific questions, leave a comment on this video at any time. For price and availability information, we can be reached at sales@patlite.com, and for any product and application support, you can reach out at technical@patlite.com. And of course, your local Patlite sales manager, Jessica Mitchell for West, Keith Vidovic for Midwest, Cody Olson for Mid-South, and Brad Watson for Northeast. The food and beverage industry includes food processing, packaging, and distribution. This includes fresh food, packaged food, and beverages. Food safety and sanitation are a key part of the process. High pressure, high temperature washdowns are a part of the sanitation process. IP69K offers specific protection rating for high pressure, high temperature washdowns. Part of a safe environment is proper indication, refilling equipment, normal operation, fault detection, and emergency conditions. Patlite light towers meet the IP69K rating, making them suitable for high pressure, high temperature washdowns. IP69K is a classification part of the IP scale. IP, or ingress protection, is how well a device is protected against water and dust. The first digit is protection against solid particles, and the second digit is protection against water. There are other classifications, such as G for oil resistance, or K for high pressure, high temperature protection. IP69K is tested with a spray of water at 80 degrees Celsius between 80 and 100 bar. This test lasts for 30 seconds. The product being tested rotates on a platform while a stationary nozzle sprays the water at 0, 30, 60, and 90 degrees. Patlite has a line of IP69K products, including a few varieties of our flagship series, the LR6. Starting with the FB281, the LR6-02WCNW plus FB281 is compatible with normal LR6 LED modules. It is NEMA 4X and 13 rated, and of course IP69K. FB281 has a 12-pin M12 connector, 5 for LED control wires, 1 for buzzer, 2 for power, and the flashing common. Here at Patlite USA, the individual body is available directly from shop.patlite.com or from your local distributor. A list of Patlite distributors can be found from the distributor search on patlite.com. Exclusive to Patlite USA are 2 bundles. The first bundle is the FB281 body with a 12-pin M12 cable included in the box. The second bundle is a pre-assembled 3-tier FB281 body with red, yellow, and green modules, as well as the 12-pin M12 cable. LR6-02WCNW plus FB295 is an LR6 featuring a thicker O-ring between modules. Because of this, the FB295 is only compatible with other FB295 modules. The FB295 is IP69K and comes with a 12-pin M12 connector. The new FB295 line also includes a compact NE beacon, NE-M1ACNN-M plus FB295. Just like its cousins in the NE series, there are 7 colors that are activated with binary wiring. The full pinout functions and input color combination are available in the full web manual from patlite.com. Part of the Patlite family is the CLA-A. This light bar is IP66, IP67, and IP69K. There is a daylight white option or a more amber yellowish option. The amber is only available in 300mm lengths. The daylight white is available in 100, 200, 300, 600, 900, and 1200mm lengths options. One way you could use the amber CLA is for egg candling. Egg candling is a process that takes a bright light to examine the contents of an egg to determine its quality. Taking the amber CLA-A, you can place eggs over it to see any microcracks or defects. LS7-9 is an enclosed IP69K tower. It can come with either an 8-pin M12 connector or a cable with flying leads. This is exclusive to the USA market and is available in white, black, or silver bodies with either black or white half-inch NPT connectors. Rounding things out is the LR10. This 100mm diameter tower is the most robust light tower from Patlite. It has continuous, triple flash, and simulated rotation settings. Depending on the part number, it can come with either a 500mm long jacketed cable with 12 flying leads or a 12-pin M12 connection. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions, reach out to us at sales@patlite.com or technical@patlite.com. And follow us on our other pages for the latest information from Patlite. Have a great day.